What's up guys, it's TheGearChange here, back with another video. And in today's video I'm taking the Focus to a new lookout. Haven't driven it for a little while. She's looking a bit dirty. I'm just pulled over on the side of the road before I go up the mountain. Thought I'd show you guys the car. I haven't really had it in any YouTube videos lately as I've been doing everything with the little XR5, but yeah, little POV drive should be good. Don't know how much juice the camera has in it, but I will try and capture as much as I can for you guys. Hopefully it's a good video. The little mini pod decided to die on me, but I have given it a quick charge. I'm nearly at the lookout that I've been heading to. For the most part, after those quick little bursts, it's been a lot of sort of tight twists and turns at 40k an hour, so I haven't really been pushing the car too hard. There are other people on the road, so I'm trying to be mindful of that. But yeah, it's been a really good drive. So car's been enjoying it. As I said, it hasn't really been out a heck of a lot. It's sort of just been sitting at home while I've been driving the little XR4. So I took this out yesterday for a quick mountain sprint, and I'm doing it again today just to get a bit of content and yeah, just give it a drive, because it really is a fun car. It's very different to the Fiesta, but you know, the power delivery in this is just unmatched, and the handling as well. Like, they're both very similar, but this is just so much more aggressive with how the power comes on. And
in 1 kilometer, turn left onto Cameron Lookout Road.
So we're nearly there. Be great to have a rear-wheel drive car through here. Sort of swing the arse end out a bit on some of these bends in a safe way, of course. I am slipping also a bit. Not a lot, but a smidge, because my tires probably need replacing soon, so not extremely grippy, but she's fairly good.
Turn left onto Cameron Lookout Road.
Alright, where are we? Are we close? We should be. Cameron Lookout is
in
what it's called.
600 meters, the destination is on your right. Cameron Lookout.
Alright. Let's hope the camera can make it till we get there. I don't actually know what the speed is through here either. Not too sure. I'm sort of sitting between 40 and 50 and humming along at that.
In 400 meters, the destination is on your right. Cameron Lookout.
Should be a pretty good view up here. Whoa, tight corner. Yes, very good view. And it seems like no one's here. Even better. Not sure if there's anywhere to park directly. Oh yeah, here we go.
The destination
Right
is
here.
on your right. Cameron Lookout.
Boom.
Arrived.
Perfect. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that little mountain sprint. I know it wasn't the longest video ever, and hopefully next time I can actually hook up the microphone to the rear and front of the car and sync it all together. I think I need to get, yeah, just a better system of doing that, but the car is humming along quite nicely. So I think she's enjoyed getting driven. The view here is pretty sick as well, so it's definitely worth the drive. I think it took me about an hour and a half. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.